going fast. Just trying to work out if he's coming at Dawlish or not. The speed he's going at about 65 to 70 mile an hour. So I'm maybe guessing he's coming at Dawlish, but I'm not 100% sure. It's very hard to say at the speed he's going. It's possible he might be running late though. Let's get down to Dawlish 1 and we'll see if we'll catch the cargo. It's running early at the moment. Missed the first cargo rail set, being that I didn't know it was running early. It was running early. Yep, I am at Dawlish. As you can see, I will put you see me? I am at Dawlish, just to wonder where I'm going. And Dawlish Beach, just over there, getting a sort of windiness and very choppy. It's been a few weeks to a month, I think, last time I went down here. And it is near Christmas, so I'm very much aware the weather is very predictable at this time of year. I thought I'd do a log for today in between the videos of catching the trains on camera for you guys, a little venture video in between the videos of the trains because obviously this is my last big long video I will do at Dawlish, but I might do some specials if they come through next year with the rail tours, but there might be shorts if I do any on platform. But for the main part, no, I won't be posting any for YouTube content after this month. Being that the weather is very windy and very wet today, you should see very choppy waves and just see the cargo, which is running early at the moment, as I said. Ready at St. Germans on his way to Plymouth. So to get down here a lot earlier than they planned. Probably at least an hour earlier, depending if they stop anywhere. But if it's supposed to stop at Dawlish 1, then that should be a sight to see. Keep using my trousers. I'm trying to get my exercise in today as well, because the last few days. Yeah. Right one. I will guess that's the Edinburgh train going to Edinburgh from Plymouth. Cross Country are a great company. I would recommend them if you want to travel in first class or standard. They're very good for what they do. I highly recommend them over GWR. They're very friendly people and their staff, drivers, all sorts. GWR is a little bit questionable at times. They can be quite aggressive towards passengers I have seen on some of this year, and others did not right. I don't show my face on camera when I'm out on ventures very often anymore, but I might do it a couple of times today. I'll be back in a second, guys. There we go. It's ticking on this camcorder. I did have quite a few people pass me, but I'm on my way to Dawlish 1, the next place to film from. Platform 1, I think, this time. Might be the best shot for the cargo for 5:30. If it went too early, then why not catch it? Definitely nice. Too thirsty. Right. I have to pause here for a moment and get my drink out. think it's been good, yeah, probably. Okay, I'm trying to get my hands back on the camera. Gross, got hair in my mouth. We've got a train coming in behind me, I think, very soon. It's the same angle I got with the cross country 43s last year, as this angle, when it was coming through from that way, going up towards Leeds, I think, at the time of that train. But not many people today, which is surprising. I suppose it is midweek and it's not actually the most nicest weather to be out in, to be fair. But, you know, Dawlish is the one of the few places that will come out in most weathers, to be honest. Hilltop today will be too wet and slidey. Hilltop will be out of bounds for today. It's just going to be too slidey to walking up and down it. Yeah, there should be a train coming from that way, coming from Teignmouth to could be Exmouth or Cardiff Central or London Canada or Edinburgh cross country services. And I'll tell you but that's with the main lot we'll be going through today, which is why, and the cargo course that's 5:25, which is just a couple of hours, depending on how fast it moves to get down here. Can't see any trains yet, but there will be one plane soon. What about Model Railways this coming weekend? Not sure. I'm not sure because obviously I could be going to Model Railways on one side, or do my usual on a Saturday, and just take it easy. Well, several weeks now, after this Friday I've got loads of time left before my next lesson, which will be after Christmas. And it's still going through the rain. Nice. Yeah, it's white tipped today and it's quite brown actually, the water down there. It's actually a lovely place to swim in the summertime, but in the winter it's just too choppy and a little too cold. But other than that, if it was choppy and it wasn't chilly like it is with the wind and rain, that would still be probably still comfortable swimming. But yeah, I haven't really swum much this year. I'm going to have to make more effort for it next year. Maybe a few times in between and July. That's kind of getting shortly because there's a anyway. I think I should probably check where the cargo is and see how far away it is. Shortly. That looks like a one going towards Exmouth and Painter. Probably going to be the 3:15 one. Planes in this camera, I've got one today. Well, TV Cargo is right behind him. He was going for Tamer, but I believe he's probably shooting through Dawlish now, which means they'll be coming through here in about less than 15 minutes. I might as well just keep recording and see if I can catch him on camera before I catch my train back towards Plymouth. Where is he? He is supposed to stop him, mind you. He's got the green light to go. Maybe the cargo is coming in. He's platform 2. Might as well keep this rolling, being that the train will be here fairly shortly. So he's got to be waiting for this line to be clear for him to go. He'll be down the line somewhere down there, waiting. He'll be waiting to come through. That's gone green. If that plane goes open again, so it means he will have to stop in there, and then he's got to put his foot down a bit and wants to get ahead of the cargo. this is really my last bit of filming for this evening before heading back. I didn't really film much in the Inhabit. I don't think I filmed any of the Inhabit today. Makes a change. I usually do, but for today I did not. I think there's people waiting until they're being picked up. Where is he? He's probably going through Dawlish, or he's on his way up right now. I can hear something, that's for sure. I can certainly hear something coming through. I think that could probably be him. Just around the headland around though. If I put my head back up, it's just a little too chilly with that wind of the rain. I think I can see him. His lights are shining around the corner. Yep, that is probably him right now. Here's one running an hour and 3 minutes early. It's only 4:30. He wasn't up as here till 26. It's got an amber light, so is he going to go in or is he going to stop? Because he was supposed to stop here for about 10-15 minutes before he goes off again. I've never seen him stop here before. The last time I did a cargo one through here was ages ago. That's probably early this summer. So I haven't really done anything with the cargoes down here for a long time. But he's going slow. He's going slow enough what he would be. Is he coming in or is he going straight through? It's very hard to say with those LEDs. You can tell he's not got a nose on him, but his lights are very obvious. I'm just going to keep looking through the lens to the right direction at his lights because they are bright. They're the ice lights, which a lot of trains have. It's just going straight through. Here's the normal one. See no one around the road, this one. Keep the lights on today. Tricky weather. There we go. All the tankers. Not the biggest cargo. Good size though. That should be the end of this video for you. That Hubbard's 4. Yeah, it's super early though. You can't go faster until you've got a green light to signal to him to go faster. It's going to stop up there, I would imagine, until he gets the green light. Orange means caution the red ring stops and then green rings go. I think that's what orange means when he's staying orange. But I've got to wait for my train now. Heading back toward the Inhabit. Right. Okay, since he's gone off, I'm going to stop recording for here today. I know you enjoyed this, even if it's wet and windy. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video for a different video, I think. Have a great evening. Peace out.